Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best QuickBooks version for a small business. Now, I'm speaking from my own experience here, as a small business owner who's been through the process of choosing the right accounting software. When you first start out, the question usually boils down to two main options: QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. For most new or small businesses today, I strongly recommend QuickBooks Online. And here's why. When I started, I needed something that was flexible. I wasn't always at my desk. I was often on the go, meeting clients or working from home. QuickBooks Online is cloud-based. This means I could access my books from my phone, my tablet, or any computer with an internet connection. My accountant could also log in from their office without me having to send massive backup files back and forth. This feature alone was a huge time saver and a game changer for collaboration. Beyond the accessibility, the automation in QuickBooks Online is fantastic. I link my business bank accounts and credit cards, and the software automatically pulls in the transactions. It even learns how to categorize them over time, which cuts down on manual data entry tremendously. I used to spend hours every week on bookkeeping. Now, it's maybe an hour or two just reviewing and approving the transactions. This is time I can now spend actually running and growing my business. They have different subscription levels: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. For many businesses starting out, Essentials is often the sweet spot. It gives you all the core tracking and invoicing features, plus important tools like managing bills and tracking employee time, which is crucial as you start to grow and hire. QuickBooks Desktop is a more traditional, locally installed software. It has some very robust, specialized features, especially in its enterprise version, like highly advanced inventory management or industry-specific reporting. I would only recommend Desktop if you have a very complex business, like manufacturing with intricate inventory needs, and you absolutely need to store your data locally and offline. But honestly, for the vast majority of service-based businesses, retail or e-commerce, QuickBooks Online is simpler, more collaborative, and more aligned with how modern small businesses operate. It's also much easier to scale up to the Plus or Advanced versions as your business grows. So, in summary, start with QuickBooks Online. It gives you the flexibility, the automation, and the ease of use that a busy small business owner truly needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.